In this video, the solution to problem number 15 uploaded on 15th November of 2020 will be discussed. Solution to this problem exploits Newton's law of cooling, a topic that will be found in any high school level physics book or in BSc level or in physics major level textbooks followed in universities in India and abroad. Mathematical statement of the law is given in equation 1. Please see that on the top of the board, left corner. In that equation, K is a constant of proportionality to be determined and negative sign signifies loss of temperature of the body to the surrounding at temperature theta s, which in this case is 25 degrees centigrade. Separating variables in equation 1 with theta s being equal to 25 degrees centigrade and integrating after imposition of proper limits, equation 2 written on the board is found. Please see equation 2. From 2, one gets equations 3a and 3b, out of which equation 3b gives the value of the constant k. Both the equations are written on the board. Please see them carefully. Now, to find the time capital T during which temperature of the body falls to 1 by n squareth of initial temperature theta, same procedure expressed through equation 2 is to be performed, but this time with different limits and with the value of k being plugged in. This is shown in equation 4. Please see equation 4 carefully. Now, following procedure similar to equation 3a, one should be able to obtain the required time given by equation 5. However, in arriving at equation 5, few steps of manipulative algebra have been skipped due to lack of space, and it is hoped that students of BSc and MSc level will be able to perform them. So, as written on the right side of the board, option C is the answer, which is seen clearly through equation 5. Before concluding, another important point that comes to my mind is that here ln refers to natural logarithm, that is log with respect to the base e, exponential. I hope that you have understood the solution. Thanks for watching.